Yeah, hi guys. How are you doing? So, what we will do today? So, we will basically learn about what we will do. We will just learn about what are 2D arrays. We have already covered what are arrays. So, those arrays were 1D arrays. So, what are two-dimensional arrays? Why do we call that a matrix? So, we will discuss that. We will basically discuss that today. So, just let's wait or yeah, let's start. Let's not wait. Let's start. Just give me a second. We will start. Okay. Okay. So just got some messages, so just muted my phone. Okay. So let's go to the OneNote and let's start with that. Let's start with a new page. Yeah. So what are 2D arrays? What are 2D arrays? Let me. So what were arrays? What were arrays? Arrays were just in this way we define arrays, right? Continuous memory allocation to same data type, right? Continuous memory allocation to same data type. So those were arrays. Let's not write that. Okay. So what are 2D arrays? What are 2D arrays? 2D arrays are also called 2D arrays are also called matrix. Also called matrix. Okay. Okay, just give me a second. So these are 2D arrays. 2D arrays. I just tried to enhance my sound and video quality. So checking that is it working properly or not. Okay. Okay. So how do we? So as you told, sir, ki we can write a 1D array like this. So how do we write a 2D array? How do we write a 2D array? Or what you have told, what 2D array is also called matrix. So how do we write that? So this is the way we write a matrix. This is a way we write a matrix. The pictorial representation of a matrix is this. You must have seen matrix already in Excel sheets, right? In Excel sheets, in chess boards, in Ludo boards. You must have seen these matrices, right? Okay. So in 1D array, how do we know about the position of the array, sir? So what we had something called index. We write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this, if we want the index of this person, so if we want the value of this person, so we write, suppose the name of the array is ARR, so we write ARR 2 and we get that particular person? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Understood. So here, how we will get the values of a particular place? Here, how we will get the values of a particular place? So here also we have something called index. Here also we have something called index. Okay, okay, sir. So if we want to get this person, so how we will get that? How we will get that? Yeah. If we want to get this particular person, then how we will get that? Sir, if the name of the matrix is Matt, then we can write something like, what we can write? I don't know. I don't know. So we have already studied graphs. We have already studied graphs. So can we can we not see that this is called row, right? Sorry, this is called column. I'm sorry. This is called column. This is called column. This is called column. So, okay, many students have the doubt like what is column, sir, and what is row. So, if you have to remember that column is something which is straight, which is the pillar. The pillar is called the column. The pillars in the houses are called the columns. So column will be similar to pillar. So once we know what are columns, that means the straight ones, the vertical ones, so the horizontal ones will be rows. Yes, sir, understood this. This is simple, sir. This is completely simple. Understood this. So you have already told what are columns and what are rows, the horizontal one. So can't we say that if we want to get this person, we have to go to the column number 3, we have to go to column number 3 and we have to go to row number 1 and we will get that particular person. In this matrix, we if we will go to column number 3 and row number 1, we will get that person. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We can get that. We can get that. So if there is a person here, so let's write P. Let's write P and let's write M. Let's write M. If we have a person here, so how we will get him? We will get him using column number 2 and row number 3. This is how we will get that M, right? Understood, sir. Understood, sir. So what are arrays and what are matrices? We just got little bit of difference. So can you please go ahead? But this is not the right way, right? This is not the right way. We will not write like this. Column number 3, row number 1. This is not the right way. So what will be the correct way, sir? What will be the correct way? So the correct way will be, let's go down. So the correct way will be, we have to create one more matrix. Not very good at drawing things, but yeah, we will manage with this one. Okay. Yeah. So let's write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's write 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So, sir, as you have already told us that in a array, in a array, if we want to get this value, if we want to get this value, so what we have to write? What we have to write? We have to write if the name of array is ARR and the name of matrix is MAT, so here we will write ARR of 3. Something like this. So is it not similar to that? The matrix representation, is it not similar to that? Yes, this is similar to that. So how we write? We write that matrix name. After that, remember, after that we write row first, and after that we write column. After that we write column. Understood, sir? Understood. So So if you will tell me, to get the value of, this particular row, if you will tell me to get the value of, like, to get the position, I should say, to get the position of this particular uh, cell, that will the correct word, to get the value of this particular cell. So how we will get that, sir? We will write the name of that matrix. So the name of that matrix is MAT. After that we will write the row number, and after that we will write the column number. Understood, sir? So the row number is 3. Row number is 3, right? Right? No, the row number is this one, guys. This is the row number. The row number is 1. Okay. The row number is 1 and the column number is 3. Yes. And now can you guys tell me, sir, unit test on Monday, so we'll attend regular from Wednesday. Okay, that's okay. Mat 1-3. Yeah. Yeah, correct, Somu. Correct. So now, can you tell me, can you guys tell me, the position of this cell number? Can you guys tell me the position of this cell number? What will be that? It will be, can you please tell me that? First we will write row. Yeah. First we will write row. So the row number is 3. And then we will write column. So the column number is 2. It will be mat 3, 2. Yes. Understood this, sir. Understood this. So we are getting what is, how to get the value from a particular position in matrix. We are getting that. Okay. Understood. So now, okay, one more thing, sir. So, let's, so this matrix, this particular matrix is of what? What is the number of rows and what is the number of columns in that? What is the number of rows and what is the number of columns in that? So the number of rows and the number of columns in that, can we write something like mat? 4 into 5. This is how we write a matrix. So here the number of row is, 4 and the number of column is 5. So this is a matrix of size 4 into 5. Okay, got it, sir. So you are telling us the size. So can you tell the total number of cells in that particular matrix? Yes, why not? So we have, this is simple, sir. What you are teaching, this is simple. We have 4 rows, we have 5 columns. So it will be 4 into 5, that is 20 cells. So total 20 elements will be there in this matrix. This is very simple, sir. Why you are teaching this? If this is simple, so let's move on to how do we initialize a matrix? So can you guys tell me, how do we initialize an array? First we write the data type. After that we write the name. After that we write the symbol. After that we write new. After that we write int and the size of that array. Let's suppose the size of the array is n. So this is how we initialize a array. So this is also an array, sir. This is what the second one, which you are telling as matrix. This is also array. This is just a 2D array. So it will be similar. Yes, this will be similar. Int, if you will focus little bit, you will be able to get that. Since this is 1-dimensional and this is 2-dimensional, so we will have 2 symbols of array. Okay, sir, got this. So we will write new, int, and after that, if the number of rows is n and the number of columns is m, so we will like something like this. So this is the way we initialize a Matrix. This is a way we initialize a matrix. Okay, okay, got it, got it. Yeah, hi Hussein. How are you doing? So this is the way we write a matrix. Okay, sir. Okay, got it, got it. So if you have understood this, if you have understood this, so can you tell me what is this n? If you have understood this, can you tell me what is this n? This is, and what is this m? Can you guys tell me that? Can you guys tell me that? Can you guys tell me that what is this n and what is the m? This n, this n is the row and this m is the column. Okay, sir. Okay, got it, got it. And you have already told that if in a matrix, if in a matrix, let's change the color to pink. If in a matrix, this is the data type, this is the data type, these are the row and columns, this is the name of that matrix, right? Right? So this is data type. Similar, sir. This is completely similar. Why you are writing again? I'm writing because you should not forget this name. This is row, this is column. This is written already. Okay, sir. Understood. Understood. So, what will be the size of that particular array which you have given above? What will the size of that? The size will be, what do you mean by size first? Size means the number of cells in that array. The number of cells in that array. So the number of cells will be n into m. The number of cells will be n into m. Okay, sir. Got it. Got it. So now I have some questions for you guys. Now I have some questions for you. If you have understood this, so now you have to tell me. Let me create one uh, array. Let's try to make it little beautiful. Okay. Let's try to make it little beautiful. Yeah. Seems good. Yeah. So we have something like this. So why I am not completing this is I will tell you. The reason is like this is not a array of row like 4 or 5. This is something like this 0, 1, 2. After that, this is since we have total number of columns as m, so it will be m minus 1, right? Similar to arrays. And this is 0, 1. Since the number of rows is n, so it will be n minus 1. Okay, sir. So, what you are trying to tell is this is a matrix of size uh, n into m. Got this, sir. Completely understood. Completely understood. So, what are you asking basically? What you are trying to ask us? So the first question is, can you tell me, the position of, can you tell me the position of top right cell? Can you tell me the position of top right cell? I will wait for you guys. I will wait for the answer. Come on. Can you guys give me the answer? Can anyone give the answer? I am waiting for you guys. Can anyone of you give the answer? I'm waiting for you. Okay, no worries, no worries. So, the top right cell means, the top right cell means, so this is the top right cell. This is the top right cell. So this is, if this is the top right cell, if this is the top right cell, so the row number for this is, the row number for this is, sir, the row number for this is 0. So it will be something like mat 0. And the, what is the column number for this, sir? What is the column number? You can see, right? It is m minus 1. It is m minus 1. Okay, 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 okay. And what is top left cell? What is top left cell? So this is the top left cell, guys. This is the top left cell. This one is the top left. So again similar, again similar. It is mat. The row number will be 0 and the column number will be, the column number will be, it will also be 0. Mat 0 0, right? Yes sir, yes sir. So okay. Got this, got this, got this. So can you tell me this bottom right one? Yeah, why not? Why not? Let's take a different color. So for bottom right one, bottom right. So we are talking about this one, sir. We are talking about this one. So if we are talking about bottom right, if we are talking about bottom right, so let me take that color. Yeah. Yeah. If you're talking about bottom, so bottom means it's similar to mat. Again, this is the row number is the last one, right? So it is n minus 1 and and the column is again the last one. So it is m minus 1. Okay, sir. Understood this. Now, can you tell us this one? This one? Why not? Why not? So what is this? This is row number n minus 1. So mat n minus 1 and 0. Okay, we now understood. Okay, Aditya, I will try that. I will try that. That's not a issue. I will try that. Okay. So what we have? What we have? We have these four. Let's change the color. So we have these four positions. We have these four positions. Okay. Okay. Sir, this is simple. Why you are explaining this? The reason why I'm explaining this is when you will write the for loops, when you will write the for loops, you have to understand the positioning of the two-dimensional arrays. Like it is simple, but when it comes to two-dimensional array, we just got little confused. That's why I'm focusing on that too much. Okay. Got this, sir. Got this. Got this. I can't see my cursor, guys. Yeah, where is it? Yeah. Okay, okay. So let's start with something next. Okay. So what were 1D arrays? 1D arrays were collection of same data types. 1D arrays were collection of same data types. Okay. So what was 1D array? Collection of same data types. Okay, sir. So what are 2D arrays, sir? What are 2D arrays? What are 2D arrays? 2D arrays are basically 2Ds. Suppose we are writing a 2D array of n into m. So what are 2D arrays? 2D arrays are basically arrays only. But the elements in that arrays, the elements in that array is also a array. Didn't got you, sir. Didn't got you. So the I will explain it again. Hear it loud. Hear it loud. Okay. So what are 2D arrays? 2D arrays are again arrays only. 2D arrays are arrays only, but the elements in those arrays are also arrays, right? So how do we write a 2D array, guys? How do we write a 2D array? Just let me remove this first. Huh. Yeah. How do we write a 2D array, guys? We write a 2D array like this, like this. We will have this. We will have something like this. We will write, yeah, we will have something like 0, 1, 4, 9, 8, 7. So this is a 2D array, right? This is a 2D array of size 3 into 2, right? So see, so what we are doing is those arrays. See, this is one array, guys. This is one array. This is another array. This is one another array. So what we are doing is we are putting those arrays in another array, like this. See, like this. So this is 0, comma 1. This is 4, comma 9. This is 8, comma 7, like this. Okay, sir. Like, are you telling that those rows are one element in the array? Yes, yes, that's what I'm telling. That's what I'm telling. Okay, okay, understood this, sir. Understood this. Understood this. Got it. So, okay, let's. So, can you tell me one more thing, sir? So, when we have a one-dimensional array, when we have a one-dimensional array, so to get the length of that, we write arr dot length for one-dimensional. For one-dimensional. So this gives the length of that array, sir. Suppose this is a one-dimensional array. 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 9, 2. So this array has 4 elements. So the length will come as 4 for this. But for this matrix, let's change the color to understand it. For this matrix, for this matrix, if we will try to write mat dot length, what will it give, sir? What will it give? This is for two-dimensional array. Focus, guys, focus. So what will it give? Mat dot length. Mat dot length. So this is zeroth element. This is first element. This is second element. So this will give, what will this give? This will give 3. This will give 3. Okay. Are you telling that it will count the number of rows? Yes, correct, correct, correct. Okay. And if we want to find the number of columns, then how we will do that? Then how we will do that? We can do that, guys. We can do that. I will tell you just a second. We have to move this little low because I don't want to lose the upper part. Yeah. So if we want to get the number of columns, so if we will do mat of 0. So if we will do mat of 0, so now what we are getting? We are getting this zeroth. Sorry. I'm sorry. It's not the correct way. Yeah. So what we are getting? What we are getting? If we will write mat of 0, so what we are getting? We are getting, we are getting, can anyone tell me that? What we are getting here? We will get the, we will get the zeroth row. This one, right? If we will write mat of 0, we will get this one. And means we are getting this thing, right? Mat of 0. We are getting this thing. Yes, sir. And if we want to find the number of columns, so if we will do dot length, so what will this give? This will give the number of columns. Number of columns. Okay, sir. Understood this. So again, it's not the number of columns. It's what it's doing is, if we are doing mat.0, it is giving us this array, and again what we are doing, dot length means we are doing array dot length. This is basically giving the length of the array. But simultaneously, since the length of the array is the number of columns in that matrix, that's why we are getting the number of columns as well. Okay, can you repeat that again, sir? Can you repeat that again? So see, what is this mat.0 giving? This mat.0 is giving the first element. So what is the first element? The first element is one array, right? So we can do array.length again. So we are doing, this is array, we are doing dot length. So when we are doing dot length, so it is giving the length of this particular array. But the length of this particular array is also the number of columns in the matrix. Okay, these are correlated, sir. These are correlated. Got it? These are correlated. Understood this, sir? Understood this. Understood this. Okay, okay. Got this. So now, if we will do, suppose now let's take one problem. If we have one array now, sir, let's change the color. Let's take it a little darker. If we have this array, and what we have 0 1 2 3, 0 1 2. We have 4 4 9 7 8 6 0 2 2 11 0 11. Yes, we have one array, sir. We have one two-dimensional array, which is also called a matrix. So the name of that matrix is MAT. If we are doing SOP mat dot length, so what will this give, sir? What will this give? And if we are doing SOP mat of 0 dot length, so what will this give, sir? What will this is simple, sir. This is completely simple. So what we are trying to do, we are doing mat dot length. So mat dot length, so we can write that this particular two-dimensional array, this mat this is a array of 3 into 4. We can write this like this. We can write like this. Just a second. Yeah. So each row is an array, right? Each row is an array, sir. Each row 4 comma 4 comma 9 comma 7. Each row is an array, right? Each row is an array. So we can write like this: 11 comma 2 comma 0 comma 2. Okay, so now what you are trying to do? Let's see. We are trying to do math dot length. So what is the length, sir? What is the length? The length is, see, 0, 1, 2. It has 3 elements in it. So the length is 3, right? Right? Right, sir. So now if we are doing mat of 0, so what is this mat of 0? This mat of 0 is, this is something like this one. This is this element. So it is 4 comma 4 comma 9 comma 7. Okay, sir. Now we have to find the length of this array. This is 0 1 2 3. Okay, the length of this array is 4. Okay, and what is this? What is this? The number of rows, right? This is the number of rows. And what is this? This is the number of, this is the number of, this is the number of columns. Okay, got this. Understood this, sir. Understood this. Just a second. My bottle fell down. I just picked it up. Okay, so okay, now. Let's go ahead. Let's go ahead. So now what we will do, we will create one array. We will create one array. We will change the color to dark green. Now we will have a question. So what is the question? Construct a 2D array. Construct a 2D array with n number of rows and m number of columns. That's what we have done with 1D array as well in the starting, right? Construct a 2D array with with n rows and m columns. Okay, got it, got it. This is it. This is it. So this is what you are expecting out of me. So the number of elements in this array will be n into m. This is what we know. This is we know already. So total elements. Okay, this is not visible. This is not visible. So total elements will be, it will be n into m, that we know, sir, that we know. Okay. So now how we will do this? To get one single array, it is easy. Write a for loop. Int I is equal to 0, I less than array dot length, I plus plus. After that, ARR of I, sc dot next int, like that. Okay. So got it. So let's see one thing. Let's see one thing. So if we are trying to create one array, this is one array, a two-dimensional array, and we already know this two-dimensional array is constructed using one-dimensional, so many one-dimensional arrays. This is constructed using so many one-dimensional arrays. Understanding, like feeling that, getting that. So if we will create so many one-dimensional arrays like this, if we will create so many one-dimensional arrays like this, if we will create so many one-dimensional arrays like this, if we will create so many one-dimensional arrays like this, finally we will get our two-dimensional array. We will get this thing. Okay. So can't we see why this is not going back? Yeah. Can't we see it's similar to what we were doing earlier? It's similar to what we were doing earlier. Okay, let's try that. Let's try that. So let's create any one of the one-dimensional array which is at the ith row. Suppose this is at the ith row. Let's create that. So to create a array which is at ith row, so what we will need? Tell me what we will need. We will need the elements. Suppose the name of the array is mat. So we will need the elements mat I 0. After that, mat I, the row number will not change, sir. The row number will not change. Row number will remain same. Row number will remain same. What is changing, sir? What is changing? Just this thing is changing. The column number is changing. And finally this column number will be mat. Row number is never changing, sir. It is still I. And that Okay, we have, okay, just let's take it little on the left because it will go outside, right? Huh. Now it's okay. Okay. Yeah. So only that column number is changing, sir. So if only that. So here what we will have, it is n into m. So here we will have m minus 1. Here we will have m minus 1. So let's write m minus 1. Okay. This is little, yeah, m minus 1. Okay, sir. Understood this. Understood this. Understood this. So, and what we have to do to create this thing, to create this thing, to create this thing, it's simple. It's simple. We have already done this. We will have initially uh, int I is equal to some value, I is equal to some value, suppose I here, and for int j is equal to 0, j less than, j less than the column size, right? J less than the column size. So what is the column size? What is the column size? What is the column size? Can anyone tell me? What is the column size? M, right? J less than M. J plus plus. And in that, what we will write? We will write mat I will be fixed, and we will write here j, and that j value will change, sir. Sc dot next int, that j value will change. J will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, up to m minus 1. Up to m minus 1. Done. Done, sir. Done. 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 So now we are able to create one row of that two-dimensional array. Now we are able to create one row of two-dimensional array. So now how to create the whole array? Now how to create the whole array? Now how to create the whole array? Where is my cursor? Yeah. Hmm. Let's bring this little down so that mm, yes, we are getting it everything right. Yeah. Let's bring this little down. Yeah. So now in this way, we have created a single row. So now we have to create how many rows like this? We have to create how many rows like this? The array is of length n into m. So we have to create n number of rows. Okay, okay, okay. In patterns, we have already done this, sir. For int I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, and after that we will close that here. Something like this. Something like this. Okay, 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 okay. Got this, sir. Got this. Sir, example. Sir, dry run, dry run, dry run, dry run. Let's do the dry run, guys. Let's do the dry run here. Let's do the dry run. Let's make it little dark so that we can understand we are doing something else here. Right? Dry run on top. Dry run. Okay. Okay. So initially the I value will be something and j value will be something. So initially I value will be let's make it wait. Let's, because I will need that, right? Let's take it little on the hmm. This is the advantage of using this. We can we can switch wherever we want. Yeah. So now initially the I value will be, okay, why this is deleting? Yeah, okay. Initially, the I value will be 0, sir. I value will be 0. And for 0, j will start from 0, 1, 2, 3, up to, up to, up to m minus 1. And for those, like, suppose we have this two-dimensional array. So For I0, j is equal to 0, 1, 2. For these, we will put some values. Suppose we are putting 4, 8, 9. And now, if we are done, if j will be m, so we will come out of this loop, and again, I will be just, uh, okay, that's okay. Yeah. So now I will be I plus plus. So it will be 1. So I will be 1 now, sir. I will be 1. So when I is 1, again what we will do? It will start from 0, 1, 2. Again it will go to m minus 1. And in this, I is 1, and we can put values like 8, 16. How to put that? How to put that? This we will write as a custom input. This we will write as a custom input, and we will get here. We will get here. Okay, sir. Got this. Got this. Understood this. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys. Mostly, yeah. For today, we have just seen the basics of two-dimensional array, which is also called matrix. Tomorrow, we will implement this. And one more thing, we have to implement some of our problems using array list. We have to implement some of our problems using array list. We will do that as well. Those two implementations we will do in the next class. And now we will solve a very, why I'm stopping is I will tell you now. Like one of my friend just got a problem which we have given in that Excel sheet already. That is stocks problem. And the company which was asking that problem was Nasdaq. You must have heard about Nasdaq. So what is Nasdaq? Nasdaq is a product based company. You must have heard about this company, I guess. Nasdaq, spelling something like that. It's a financial institution, something like Morgan Stanley or JP Morgan. So one of my friend got this question. He is around 8 or 9 years of experience. So you can assume that people having 8 or 9 years of experience getting this problem, which we are discussing in our class. So it's good to solve that. That's why I'm stopping here, and I'm going to where is that? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Understood this. Okay, sir. Just give me a moment. What we will do, we will start the problem. Okay, so what is the problem, sir? Can you please read that for us? Yeah, why not? Why not? You are given an array prices. The name of the array is prices, where prices of I is the price of a given stock on the ith day. So what do we have, sir? What do we have is, let's go here. Let's discuss that, sir. Let's discuss that. Yeah. So what do we have? What do we have? We have one. I'm sorry. I am sorry. Yeah. We have one array. In that array we have. In that array we have uh, some prices 715364. 715364. So what are these, sir? What are these? These are the prices, guys. These are the prices. So what are these prices of? These are the prices of stocks. So why they are given in array? These are the prices of stock on some particular day. Like on the 0th day, like on 0th day, the price of the stock was 7. On first day, the price of the stock was 1. Second day 5, third day 3, fourth day 6. Like some consecutive days. For some consecutive days, the prices of the stock is given. Okay, understood this. ये clear है sir. This we are getting little bit. Can you explain further? Can you explain further? Why not? So, you want to maximize your profit by choosing a single day to buy one stock and choosing a different day in the future to sell that stock. So, this is a game, guys. This is a game. This is a simple game. This what you have to do is you have to find one day. You have to find one day to buy one stock, and you have to find one day to sell that particular stock. Okay, and you have to maximize your profit. This is a normal logical reasoning problem which you have to code in Java. Understood? This is a normal logical reasoning problem which you have to code in Java. And people having 8 to 10 year of experience getting this problem. You can see the irony, right, guys? You can see the irony. Okay. Okay, let's focus. Look, let's focus. So, so okay, sir. So there is one thing, like if we will buy the stock with price 7, if we will buy the stock with price 7, we will sell with price 1, we will not make any profit. We will sell with price 5, we will again not make any profit. Okay, okay, okay. When we are buying the stock with price 7 and we are trying to sell the stock with any of these prices, we are unable to make any profit, sir. We are unable to make any profit. Okay, okay. So there is one case for that as well. See, return the maximum profit you can achieve from the transaction. If you cannot achieve any profit, return 0. If you cannot achieve any profit, return 0. That's simple. That's completely simple, sir. So what you are trying to tell, like if we okay, where were we? Where were here? Yeah. If we are not able to find the profit, like using 7, we were not able to find the profit. Using 1, 5, 3, 6, 4, we can or we can't, we don't know as of now. But if we are not able to find the profit, then you will simply return 0. First thing you will simply return 0. Why unable to write? Return 0 if unable to make any profit. If profit, it's not unable to make one thing. Got it. Again, let's go back. uh You want to maximize your profit by choosing a single day to buy one stock and choosing a different day in the future. See the word in the future. So you can't do something like this. You can't do something like this. You can't buy the stock on day 1 and you can't go and sell it in the past. So that's obvious, guys. Yeah, so you will tell me that, sir, there's an option to short, but we can't do that in this problem. We can't do that. People who will be knowing the share market, they know there is something called short. So that's okay, we can't do that. Here, what is the condition? If we buy the stock on this particular day, then you can only sell that in the future days. In the future days. Okay, question is clear. We understood it. So let's think little bit. Let's think, sir. Let's think. So we have all the cases with us. So let's think now. There is a very simple brute force approach. A very simple, I think you guys must have got that already. So there is a brute force approach, guys. So what is that? What is that, sir? So what you can do is, so take this as the we have mainly what we will have mainly three terms. We will have mainly three terms. So the first term will be buy price, right? We will have something called uh, buy price, and we will have something called, tell me, there are two things more, right? We'll have something called profit. uh, let's make it current profit. and the another one will be total profit. These are the three terms which will help us. So as of now, make this as the buy price. So when we will make 7 as the buy price and try to check the profit. With 1, is there a profit? If we have a profit, then register it in some variable and try to check with the next elements, next prices. So, and if the profit increases, try to take that in our variable which we have declared. So in this way, for 7, you will get some profit P1, right? For this 7 element, you will get some profit P1. Here, that P1 value will be 0, as we know. We already know. This value will be 0 for here. But we will get something. And now, there is one thing, there is one catch, that if we will take 1 as the buy price, we cannot take 7 as the selling price because it's in the past. That particular day is the past. So now we will start the loop with if we will start the first loop with I, then we will start the second loop with I plus 1, right? So we will go from here to here. We will again try to check the profit. If the profit will be more than P1, then we will put that profit in this P1, right? So in this way, we will get some profit. For 1, we will get some profit as here we will get, see, let's write it as well. So for 5, we will get, we will make some profit. That will be 4, sir. For 3, the profit will be 2, but it is less than this, so we will not swap that. For 6, the profit will be 5. Okay, this is greater than this, sir. So we will swap this. Understood. And again, we will check for 4. The profit is 3, so we will not do anything. Okay, now 1 is done. Again, go ahead. Now we will make the 5 as the buy price. We will check the profit. 5, 3, there is no profit, sir. 5, 6, okay, we got some profit. That is 1, but that is less than 5, so we will not do like this. 5, 4, again, no profit. So in this way, what we will do, we will compare and finally we will get the profit. But see, here what we have to do, we have to write 2 for loops. In that. Okay, that will be a nested loop. So there will be more time will be needed to complete this task. So okay, sir, we got this brute force approach. So there is one homework for you guys. You have to write this brute force approach. I have just explained that you have to write this brute force approach. I will tell you one more method to do this. I will tell you one more approach to do this. So, guys, please be focused. Now. Okay. So, suppose what we have? Let's delete this as well. This. Yeah. Okay. This is also, let's make it a little closer, right? Let's make it 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So now what we can do, sir, please focus, guys. Please focus. So what we can do is, when we will start the loop, we will make the first one as the buy price. So we will make 7 as the buy price. Okay, sir. We have made 7 as the buy price. So now we will go ahead. So when we will go ahead in that for loop, we will see the next term. So that next price is smaller than the previous one. So this is smaller. 1 is smaller. So what we will do? We will change this value. Okay, this is not the right color. Let's take this one. We will change this value and we will put the buy price as 1. And initially, the current profit and the total profit is 0. Okay. Initially, the current profit and total profit is 0. Okay. So what you have done, sir, you are iterating through the loop, and you saw that at first day the buy price was low, so you have changed our buy price from 7 to 1. Okay, understood till here. Understood till here. Now, now when we are iterating from 1 to 5, when we are iterating from 1 to 5, so what we are checking? We are again checking, is the price small? Is the price less? No, this is smaller. So we are at the correct price. So now what we will do? We will try to find the current profit. So the current profit will be 5 minus 1, it will be 4. It will be 4. And this current profit will be updated, sir. And similarly, since the current profit is greater than total profit, please pay attention on this line. If the current profit is greater than the total profit, then put that current profit in total profit as well. Okay. Got this. So now again we will check. Again we will check. In this way, what we have done, we have updated the current profit and total profit and buy price. So we have done this. Now we will check 1 and 3. We will check 1 and 3. So in these two, we see that 1 is less than 3, so the buy price will remain same. Now we'll check the current profit for these. The current profit for these is, yeah, there is a current profit, and that current profit is 2. That current profit is 2. But sir, that particular current profit is smaller than the total profit. Let's not make total profit. That's a wrong word. Let's make it maximum profit, guys. Let's make it maximum profit. That maximum profit is already greater than 2, so we will not change that, because what was question telling? What was question telling? The question was telling to get us the, see, to get us the maximum profit. To get us the maximum profit. Okay. So we will not alter that maximum profit. Okay, sir. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Again, going ahead. In these two, again, the buy price will remain same, sir. Buy price will not change. It will remain same. But we will check again. The current profit will be now 5. The current profit will be now 5. So if the current profit is 5, we will again check the current profit and maximum profit. Got this. So this time the current profit is maximum, so we will update the maximum profit as well. We will update the maximum profit as well. So maximum profit will be updated with 5. Maximum profit will be updated with 5. So we are with 6, and from 6 we will go to 4. We will check 1 and 4. 1 is smaller, sir. So buy price will remain same, sir. Now we will check the current profit. So the current profit will be 3. The current profit will be 3. But sir, if we will check the current profit and the maximum profit, this is greater. So we will not change that value, sir. We will not change that value. So now when we have, see, in the previous approach, in this brute force approach, what we had to do, we had to have a for I and for j. We had to have nested loops. Here, in one single iteration, have you seen that? Here in one single iteration, we have got our maximum profit, guys. We have got our maximum profit. Sir, this is easy. This is very easy. You have explained the logic, so this is easy. Can you please write the code? Can you please write the code so that we can understand it more nicely? Yeah, why not? Why not? So let's open the editor. Let's open the editor. So what we will do, whatever we have done there, we will do that only. So what we have done? See, what we have done? We have defined a buy price initially. So we have defined a buy price, a current profit, a maximum profit initially. Okay, sir. Okay, got it, got it. So, are you telling something like this? Let's move my phone this side. Now, what I have done, guys, is like I have done some setting to remove the that hissing sound. So, I guess you must not be getting that hissing sound. From the next class, you will get the keyboard sound, I guess, but from the next class, you will not get that as well. So, I am trying to enhance the videos. Okay, so what we have int buy price, and that will be equal to 0, right? That will be equal to 0. And we have one more thing. What we have? What we have? We have maximum profit. So let's make it int profit, and that will also be 0. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. And what you have told, sir, that we have to iterate in the array, iterate in the array only once. We have to iterate in the array only once. Okay, sir. So we will write a simple for loop. We will write a simple for loop. So for int I is equal to 0, I less than, what is the array name? Prices. Prices dot length length. After that, I plus plus. Got this, got this. So we have written the for loop. We have written the for loop. So in the for loop, what we were doing, what we were doing, we were changing the buy price. We were changing the buy price when the next price is smaller than the previous one. When the next price is smaller than the previous one, or what we can say, when the next price is smaller than the current buy price. Right, guys? Like initially the buy price was 0, and initially the buy price was 0. So what we had done, we checked that with 7. 7 turned out to be, sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. So initially the buy price was the first one, right? I'm sorry. Okay, I have done something wrong here. Yeah, this will be okay, because it will be, if it will be 0, then it will never change, right? It will be the best case always. Buy price will be the 0th element. Sorry, yeah. Initially the buy price was 7. Okay, this is wrong. Change it. Yeah. Initially the buy price was 7. So now what we did? We we started traversing into the array. We came here. We see that the current price is smaller than the current buy price. So we will put the current price in that buy price, right? Right, sir. Right. So what we will do? We will have a if condition. In that we will check that price greater than is buy price greater than prices of I. If buy price is greater than prices of I, or it should be better that, huh, this is correct. If buy price is greater than this, then what you have to do? You have to change the buy price to that prices of I, right? by price to that. I am not getting the suggestions. I don't know. Generally, I get that. Okay. Okay, sir. So if that buy price is greater, then we will change to the next one. Okay. And if that buy price is not greater, sir, if that buy price is not greater, then what we will do? Then what we will do? We have to find the current profit. We have to find the current profit. So what we will do? We will have one variable current profit, because that current profit variable is not needed outside that scope. That variable is not needed outside that scope. So what is that current profit? So that current profit is prices of I minus, let's take this. I should have written that because it will be much easier. So what we are doing, sir? See here. See here, if buy price is greater, then we go inside. If buy price is smaller, buy price is smaller than the current price, it means we are definitely making profit. So we are registering that profit in this current profit. Okay, sir, got this. So we are registering that profit in current profit. And now what we will do? Now what we will do? We will find, we will find we will find that is our current profit greater than is our current profit greater than the maximum profit. Let's make it maximum profit, right? Max profit. So what we can do, we can write a if condition. We can use math.max as well, or let's use that, guys. Let's use that because someday we have to use that anyhow. So what we will do, we have max profit. In that, what we will do, we will use math.max, right? Math.max, and we have two variables. There is one, this one, and the another one is current profit, right? So in this way, what we are doing, if the maximum profit is greater, let it be as it is. Let it be as it is. But if the maximum profit is smaller than the current profit, then then put that current profit in the maximum profit. So in this way we will get the maximum profit, like how we were doing here, right? If see if this 3 is not greater than 5, so let it be as it is. But if, see, when we were switching from 2 to 5, so see, previously the profit was 4, but now when the current profit is 5, so we did math.max between these two. So these turned out to be larger. So in maximum profit, we put that 5, right? Similar. So we did, where is my cursor? Yeah, we did math.max between maximum profit and current profit. Whosoever is larger, put that in the max underscore profit. Got this, sir. Got this. So in this way, we will get our maximum profit, sir. And as discussed, if you can't achieve any profit, return 0. So initially it is 0. Like if we will not be able to come into this else condition, if we will not be able to come into this else condition, then that maximum profit will remain 0, right? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So now what we will do, we will return that maximum profit. Hmm. Understood, sir. Understood. Let's make it little. Yeah. Can you please run this code for us? Can you please run this code for us? Okay, sir. Sir, accepted. Can you please submit that, sir? Yes, why not? Okay, it ran. Okay, 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 okay. Got this. So, can you do a dry run once? Can you please do a dry run once? Why not, guys? Why not? Why not? Let's take this array. We will take both the arrays, okay? We will take both the arrays. Don't worry. Let's comment it out. Okay. So let's take this and let's take the another one as well. What we will do, we will use that OneNote. We will not do this here. Control X, C. Let's go to the OneNote. Let's remove all these because it's not required. Or should we? Yeah, let's copy it here. Let's not remove that. V. Why not copied? Great, it's not getting copied. Control A, C. Yeah, got copied. So you can see that, right? You can see that, guys. So if you can see that, that's great. If you can't see that, then I can't do anything. Okay, able to see it, sir. You don't have to worry. You don't have to worry. We have to copy this thing as well, right, guys? Because where we will explain that. We will explain using this. अरे लिख लेंगे sir. That's not an issue. Let's write it. So we have three things, sir. We have three things. We have one called this buy price. So we will write buy price. And we have something called maximum profit, which is initially 0. Maximum profit. Let's keep the maximum profit little on the lower side because this is the final output, right? We have something called maximum profit, and we have, sir, something called if you guys have understood this, then you can leave the class because I will just explain that again, so you don't have to waste your time. Okay, guys? And this is current profit. If you guys have understood this, you can leave the session here itself because we should not waste our time, right? Okay. So initially, let's start, sir. Let's start. We are with you. So buy price, it will be initially 7 for the first one. It will be 7. Okay, understood. Maximum profit also it will be 0. Maximum profit 0. And okay, okay, sir. So go into this for loop. Here we have I. Here we have I. I will be 0. Okay, sir. For I 0, we will check is buy price greater than prices of I. Is buy price is 7 greater than prices of I? Like, is it greater than 7? No. It will go to else. It will go to else and it will check prices of I minus buy price. So the current profit will be 0, sir. So the current profit will be 0. Okay. So now I will be 1. I will be 1. When I will be 1, I will be 1. So again it will check buy price. Buy price, what was the buy price? Buy price was 7. And okay, we have to write prices of I as well. So prices of I for 1, it will be 1, right? So it will check that buy price is greater than prices of I. Yes, buy price is greater. Buy price is greater. So what you have to do? You have to change the buy price with this value. So now the buy price will be 1. Okay, sir. Got this. Got this. So now the buy price is 1. Okay, it got into if, so it will not go into else now. Now it will again increase the I value. Now I value will be 2. So for P of 2, the value will be 5. So again it will check is buy price greater than prices of I. Buy price is 1. P of prices of I is 5. No, it's not greater. So it will not go into this if, it will go into the else condition, sir. It will go into the else condition. So now it will check current profit. So what is current profit? Prices of I, that is 5, minus buy price, that is 5 minus 1, that will be 4. So now the current profit turned out to be 4. Now it will check out of current profit and out of maximum profit, which was 0, which is greater? Which is greater? 4 is greater, sir. So the maximum profit will change to 4 now. So the maximum profit will change to 4 now. Okay. Now again, I will be 3, sir. I will be 3. I will be 3. So when I is 3, that P of 3 is 0, 1, 2, 3. So it is 3. It is 3. So again, it will check buy price is greater than P of I. Buy price, no, it's not greater. So it will go into else. It will not go into this. It will go into else. So when it will go into else, it will check for current profit again. So current profit is prices of I, that is 3 minus 1. So current profit will be 2 now. Current profit will be 2 now. It will check. It will check between maximum profit, that was 4, and current profit 2, which is maximum. 4 is maximum, so 4 will remain there. 4 will remain there, sir. Okay, got it. Again I plus plus, again I plus plus, it will be 4, sir. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So at 4, P of I will be 6, sir. So when this is 6, again buy price is greater than prices of I? No, sir. So it will not go into the if, it will go into the else. So now the current profit will be, 5, sir. Now the current profit will be 5. It will check, between 4 and 5, which is max. 5 is max. So maximum profit will be now 5, sir. Maximum profit will be 5. Now do again I plus plus. Now do again I plus plus. So this will be 5, sir. Now that last value is 4. Last value is 4. So for the last value, it will check buy price smaller hai, it will go to else. It will again go to else. It will not go into if. It will go to else. So when it will go to else, it will check the current profit. So the current profit is 4 minus 1. Current profit is 3. So maximum profit is 5. Current profit is 3. 5 is greater. So it will remain 5. It will not change. Right? Again, it will go here I plus plus. So I will become 6. But 6 is not greater than prices dot length. So it will come out of the for loop and it will return the maximum profit. It will return the maximum profit, sir. So if it will return the maximum profit, that is 5. That is 5. Understood this? Can you please explain the same for this one? Yeah, that is simple. That is simple. That is simple. So when you will take 7, as the buy price, it will never go in this if condition. Just a second. Buy price greater than, yeah, it will never go in this if condition because buy price, I'm sorry what I'm doing. Sorry. I'm sorry. I okay, got little confused. Let's copy this again because it will confuse us. It will confuse us. It will confuse us. I just got confused. That's why. Hmm. Great. So now what we are doing, we are doing this for this one, sir. For this one. So for this one, so we have to write that buy price, current profit. This will not go for very long, so maximum profit. If you guys have understood, you can leave the session because we are done. So buy price will be initially 7. Okay. Maximum profit will be 0. Okay. Yeah, maximum profit will be 0. And current profit will be whatever it is. It's okay. It's okay. Current profit is not here as of now because it will be created inside that scope only. Okay. So now this loop will start, sir. Buy price is greater than prices of I. So Buy price is greater. Yeah, buy price is greater. So buy price will change to 6. Again, this is greater than 4. So again, this will change to 4. Again, this is greater than this. So it will change to 3. Again, this is greater than 1. It will change to 1. Again, do I plus plus. So now it will go outside that loop. It will run the if condition all the times. It will go outside the loop. And once it will go outside the loop, so the maximum profit was initially 0 and it will remain 0. So the maximum profit will remain 0. Okay, we are mostly done with today's session. What we have discussed the basics of two-dimensional array, which is called matrix, and we have done a very fantastic problem which has came in the exam of NASDAQ. So we have done it with two ways. The that brute force approach, you have to implement it, and once you will implement that, you will also try to implement this approach you by yourself, because you have already seen the class, right? Try to implement it by yourself. Okay. Okay. And yeah, I have not told it earlier. Please do what is that called, like, subscribe and comment, guys. Please do like, subscribe and comment. Yeah, thank you, thank you. We are mostly done with today's session.